Yeah, so check this out. It's a rainy day, and there's my burn barrel grill cooker thing. But I'm on my smoker here, and with one of my other videos, this hole was opened up for the offset smoker, but I found a rock that's going to fit perfectly to cover that up. Yeah, that's another piece of mango from one of my other videos. I'm going to leave that in there. But yeah, we got us a pork chop bone in. Well, no, that's a T-bone steak and 2 pork chops, center cut. They're already marinated, and this is just going to be a quick one. I'm going to set up some charcoal with some mesquite and smoke them a little bit and just cook them. Hey, simple, tasty, awesome. Right, yeah, I had that backwards. Yeah, the T-bone, center cut pork chops. Right, alright, woohoo, I know, right? Yeah, so we're close to going upward to 300 degrees now. That's because I closed off that opening with the side smoker thing with that rock, because it didn't come with a vent closure for the inside. So now I'm trapping a lot more heat inside there. Check it out. Woo! Yeah, buddy, we got a T-bone and 2 center cut pork chops. Smoking that real good with some mesquite and some hickory. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let that build back up. Yeah, every time you open that up, it's going to let the heat out. Anyway, I know, right? Right, so I just seasoned those up with whatever I had on hand and what sounded good and what looked good and what I know to be good. So you can use any kind of spice that you want. But yeah, that's what it's all about, having fun. Invent something. Go out and cook something. Get out in the woods. Get out in the outdoors. Yeah, I know. So yeah, it's been about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. And we're back up to 300 degrees since that last opening, just to show you. So once I closed that opening off of that rock, that made a big difference. Oh yeah, now we got some heat going on inside here. And some smoke. That's right. Okay, so 12 minutes later, we're still at 300 degrees. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, wow. If we had smell-o-vision, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip these over. I mean, that's already looking good. These are the center cut pork chops. Let's move back over there, get over here. And this is a T-bone. Right. Woo! Tell you what, yeah, when I closed that off, that rock, as you can see right there, because there's a big old opening right there for the offside smoker, which they didn't send me a little slide thing to close that off. But anyway, that made all the difference right there. And we're still doing the next to the fire, not on it, because we don't want to burn them up. We're just going to slow cook them and smoke them too. Woo-wee! Man, I wish y'all could smell that. Okay, so about 15 minutes later, we're still kind of close to 300, but I'm thinking these are done. And it's only been, let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's good for me. Alright. Oh yeah. Woo-wee! Look at that, look at that. Alright. No doubt. Let's just Oh yeah, it's good. Slice off a piece here of the Mr. T-bone. Take a little picky in there. Well, it's still a little bit, let's see. Kind of hard to do. Oh yeah, that's still a little pink. We'll let it go. It just looks, because it's smoked. Yeah, we'll let them go a little bit longer. And while we're doing that, we'll just throw another handful of mesquite on there. Let them go for about another 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Let's go 5 minutes. Oh Lord Almighty. Whew. Okay, so it's been about another 5 minutes. Let's take us a look. It's getting dark outside and my phone doesn't really have a, I'm using my phone. That's perfect on the steak. So we'll just get that off there now. T-bone. Right. Now as far as pork goes, it's alright to have it a little bit pink, but you don't want it to be too pink. And we'll check this out here. Take us a little. Actually, you know what? I can just tell. I can tell. It's I can tell by the touch, the firmness of it, that these are done. Those are done too. But anyway, yeah. That's a T-bone. A couple of center cut pork chops, smoked with some hickory and some mesquite. Alright, man, enjoy, have fun, get out in the outdoors, cook outside, cook anything, do some cooking. I know that's right.